Okay, so here's the quick version of how to turn this into an actual video. Make sure that you've got the master selected and the blue focus is around the actual sequence, not on something over here. Go to File, Export, Media. You're going to see the output here. You can actually drag around and see that we have black bars at the top and bottom. That's because it's still set to the antique AVI NTSC DV format. We want to change that to the modern H.264. It's going to match the source, and it's going to be a very high bit rate by default. You can see the source and the output are now the same, and this blue bar should go all the way across. We got to change the name of it, so we're going to put the date that this is being exported, All About Me, the video, and then we're going to put in what we're going to set the bit rate at. For this version, it's going to be CBR max. That's a constant bit rate. We're going to give it as much data as it can possibly use to make the video. Then we're going to click on the video bitrate settings. So you have to scroll down until you find bitrate settings, change it to that CBR, and then ramp this target bitrate up as far as it'll go. It won't be able to make a file quite that large, but you can see it's saying it's going to be 3.5 gigabytes in size. Always click on Q, and that's going to open up a second program. You can see Adobe Media Encoder. It could take a few minutes for this to show up in that program. It will not start rendering until you press play. By using the Q, we can actually go back and we can set up another export if we want to. And we can give it a different name. We can set it to a different bit rate. We can use a 2-pass encoding, but they will always then just show up here in Media Encoder. Let's go ahead and press play and let that render out. Then you'll notice that it actually takes a few moments for it to finish. You gotta let it go ahead and finish. It's stuck here at remaining 1 second because it's combining the audio and video together. Even though there isn't an audio track, it's going to blend those two into a single file. If we go and look in the folder, we'll be able to see that it's got a couple of temporary files. So here in Documents, Project folder, you can see these two. That means it's not done yet. So this is a giant M4V file right here. And when it combines the two, it's actually be condensed down. So now you can see right here we've got a combined file at CBR max, 457 megabytes, and then that's what we're going to upload to YouTube to get the highest possible quality.